It says Black Lives Matter. It's unfair to call it that because as an African, I am on the front line fighting the LGBTQ imposition and pushing this homosexuality on our people in Africa and here. I will stand to the end as a black man and white man.
How can homosexuality shelter the black man and the black woman?
It's not out of order. It's real. Black men and black women need to be together for black families. Our situation is so messed up. Why? Because we're fragmented. That's not out of order. It needs to be dealt with. It needs to be discussed.
In our country, we will have our morals. We will protect our children. And we are making this law. We are making this law for ourselves. We are making this law for our children. We are making this law for the children of our children. This country will stand firm. And once it passed, I can tell you, Madam Speaker, we are going to reinforce the law enforcement officers to make sure that homosexuals have no space in Uganda.
We always stand.
Look for me in a world when I was calm. Look for me all around you. For in God's grace, I shall come back with countless millions of black men and women who have died in America, those who have died in the West Indies, and those who have died in Africa to aid you in the fight for liberty, freedom, and life.